NJTY T5. It is a CATII 600 watt, 6000 count, 2 RMS LCD skin multimeter. Its size is 156 times 77 times 19.5 mm. It uses 2 pieces of 1.5 watt AAA battery. Weight is 178 gram, not include the battery, and the whole box set about 385 gram. Its DC voltage is 0.8 watt to 600 watt. AC voltage is 0.5 watt to 600 watt. Resistor is 0 to 60 mega ohm. DC current is 5 milliamp to 10 amp. AC current is 6 milliamp to 10 amp. Temperature measuring minus 20 degrees C to 550 degrees C. Frequency is 10 Hz to 2 kHz. It auto off in 10 minutes when not use the meter. It has backlight and flashlight and die output function. Die output makes voltage 3 watt, and it has a B sound function. When less than 50 ohm, maybe B sound on. They have a NCV function, and NCV also include a lamp to light on. And in 2 RMS, they have a range 45 to 2 kHz. And this meter also have low battery indication. And let's see the meter inside. It made in China, and this version only for China. And the control function also in Chinese. In the back, they have a meter T5. And a soft case, a transparent soft case like the cell phone. A chip temperature sensor. A pair of the battery. And a palm bag. Okay. And the test pen. A pair of the test pen. There's a 4 mm jet meter. They can plug in normal 4 mm plug. Okay. Let's see the test pen. And there's a soft PVC cable. And the cable have a cap. And the meter backside is the battery compartment. Let's see the compartment. They have a compartment for fix the battery. That is the flashlight. And there's a protection fuse, 250 watt, 10 amp. Okay, we put the battery inside. And then put back the cell phone cover. This meter have two type. One type is like this. This is LCD skin. Another type is a VA skin. And this is a power on switch. When put in this one, maybe have a light on. And there's a host key and NCV function. When long put at NCV. But this version only for Chinese. It shows the Chinese. Okay. Another function is a backlight. That is the backlight. Long part is the backlight. The backlight not very good of this one. They have a stem in this one. And also the flashlight on. Okay. And then this another function is try the die test, capacitor, and the cells, and the ferry. And the capacitor function. Okay, let's see the meter testing function. DC voltage test. $2.5. It shows 2.51211. 5 watt. It shows 5.025. And 7.5 watt. It shows 7.52 watt. 10 watt. It shows 10.03 watt. Okay. Let's see another AC voltage test. It also shows on the head of this one. and 223.8, 3.9, and float is 222.8 volt. Okay, let's see another function. Normal resistor test. When the test stick connect is a 0 ohm. Okay, let's see the 1 ohm. It shows 1.1 ohm, 10 ohm. It shows 10.1 ohm, 10.04K. It shows 9.99K, 20.02K. It shows 19.94K, 1.997 meg. It shows 1.9867 meg. 10.87 meg. It shows 10.66 meg. 22.3 meg. It shows 21.48 meg. Okay. Let's see another function. $30 ohm is so 30.1 ohm. 25 ohm is so 25.1 ohm. 50 ohm is so 50.1 ohm. Okay. 40 ohm is so 40.1 ohm. It's so good of this meter. And see the latching. It about 63 dB. Let's see the latching response. When fast, just no any B sound. 1, 2. The response is low, but have a light on. 1, 2. The response is very low of the continuity. Okay. Let's see another function. For this function, we must be try to another function. Now it's a die test function. This is a die. We use a normal die. Come here. You show the die voltage. Okay. Let's see the die test for cannot light up the LED. It's okay, you can light up the red one, yellow one, green one, blue one, and the white one also okay. Okay, test finish of this one. And let's see another function. Now it's the capacitor function. This is a home temperature function. Now we test the capacitor. A more one. It's so 10.67 microfarad. Okay. It's okay. Another one. 1000. It's so 1.130. Warm up the whole key. Try again. Sorry. Behold, 1.133 microfarad. Okay. Let's see the bigger one. There's the bigger one. Maybe cancel the hole. It's so 4.48. Very okay. Let's see another function. And let's see the reference of the capacitor. So 121.2. Nail farad is okay. Is a 1:1 the accuracy of the reference capacitor. Okay. Let's see the resistor reference. If is a 5.001 K. Okay. Let's see this meter. it in auto mode for the resistor. It shows 4.976 K. Okay. It's not very accuracy of the reference of this meter because the resolution is low of the resistor. Okay, let's see another function of the normal NCV of this meter. In the normal NCV must be long part of this switch. Now it's the NCV. When need the source, there may be yellow and red light on. No any bar can see in this meter. And also the cable. No any bar on this one. Only on the LCD skin have the bar, a long bar. You have a feed type of the bar. Okay. Let's see another function. Temperature test. And now this is the room temperature. So like the infrared sensor. Okay. When pop in this meter, the sensor maybe have a B sound. There is a acknowledge you this function not in the temperature testing. You must pass the switch in this one to set it for the temperature function. Before the testing. Okay, we power off this one first. Power on. And select the function. Now for testing the temperature. Now it shows the temperature of the room. Now we see the temperature rising up. So 230. Okay, we drop into the water. There's a 50 degree of the cells of the cool water. Okay. That's finish of this one. DC current test. It shows 3.009 M. Foot is a 3.0074 M. It's okay. AC current test. In the AC current test, the current test logo may be automatic turn to the AC. And now testing. Now it's 880.4 milliamp. So that 50 Hertz. Okay. We hold the function. In AC, that is named AC. When pop off, when turn off, there may be turn to the DC, like this, DC. Now it's DC. This is a room temperature. Okay. Let's see another function. Consumption test. Now as a reference source output is 50 watt. This is display the wattage. Now it's 40.99 watt. And we use the flip for the maximum power latching of this meter. Now we're latching the power on consumption. The max power of this meter power on may be 0.0442 M for the maximum power on. And then we see the normal function. Now test the normal draw current. Normal this meter use 0.0034 M. Now time. Okay. Now it's 40.99 watt. And the output is 50. This meter show 50.04. And now time I test the battery low function for drawing current. And now turn down the supply voltage. The supply voltage now time is about 2.8. Now time 2.7. The battery low logo may be turned on, 2.7 watt, and the display also have 50 watt accuracy. Now turn on the voltage. When the voltage up to 2.8 watt, there may be the battery low logo come out. And now see, turn down the voltage. And now 2.5 watt is displayed. The meter cannot operate. We turn up first. Now 2.9 watt. Open the meter. The meter open. And turn down. Again. Be lower. 2.8 feet. When 2.7 watt, now time is low. we see the voltage 2.7 V. Okay, now turn down. About 2.7 volt. The meter cools down. There may be draw some current of this one. Okay. Thank you. And now test the backlight consume current. The backlight is consumption is 0.086 M about. And low down is 0.0034. Try again. 0.0245 M. Open the backlight. We slow down the voltage. Now 2.8 volt. They may draw the current 0.0032 M. Now need a 2.7 volt. The meter showed battery low. And the meter about 2.68 volt, maybe cools down of this meter. Okay, thanks for watching. Meter T down. They have a 6 screw inside this meter. Inside, no any shielding. And let's see the meter. They have a PTC for protection and a control relay and the main IC and the LCD controller IC, capacitor, B, crystal, and the coating port Okay, let's see the meter. Okay, let's try to open the meter. There is the back side. The back side is come with a backlight and the LCD skin. This one. There is another other side. There's only a circuit board, no other, and a backlight, a LCD skin, a huge LCD skin. Okay, come out. There is the huge LCD skin. Okay. T-down finish. NCV test of T5 must be long top of this one into ACU, and let's see the function. It might be 3 or 4 cm near the switch, maybe, and have a light on of this one. Okay. How to call off the auto off function? In the off time, push this switch and power on the meter. They have 3B. The auto off function goes off in this case. By reset, only push this switch on again. The meter will show the logo auto go off in. Okay.